Welcome back to TechKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Bitcoin, whose current price stands at the $167,745.92 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 0.39%, and I want to give you the key scenarios that I expect to play out basing my analysis on the Elliot wave structures, and also draw out any key chart patterns that you have information on this chart. And I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening here on the BTC chart. Starting my analysis on the daily chart, we can have this movement to the upper side as a first wave to the upper side of that Elliot wave structure after seeing massive impulsive movements to the upper side, having that first wave to the upper side taking us to an all-time high at around the $69K mark. And after seeing the all-time high, we have been seeing a massive corrective movement over here, in which I'm terming as a higher Elliot wave count 2, and we might have seen the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2 at around the $15.5K mark. And after seeing that low, I'm expecting a very nice bounce to the upper side in the formation of a wave 3 once the bear market low is in. And jumping to the 1 hour chart so that we can see what movements we have here on the 1 hour chart and what short-term scenarios can play out here on the BTC chart. You can see before we saw that low at around the $15.5 mark, we had been trading within this channel, and we managed to break out of the channel after the FTX saga. And after seeing that, that's when we made our low, and after making that low, we have been seeing a bit of a recovery to the upper side. And in that movement to the upper side, we have been trading within this triangle, which is a chart pattern that is now giving us a breakout to the upper side, as you can see from this movement over here, where we are also trading above the 20-day MA. And once we see the retest of this upper side of the triangle, there's a possibility of BTC giving us a breakout to the upper side. And this is a chart pattern that seems to be giving us a breakout to the upper side, and using its height to get a minimum target area to the upper side. Once we see the breakout, we can get that height using a trend line over here, and then place it over here where we are seeing this breakout, and that gives me a minimum target area back to around the $19,142.8 mark. So that means in case we see a successful retest of the upper side of this triangle over here, there's a possibility that BTC might go back to around the $19K mark. That is the first possible scenario that can play out over here. Also, basing my analysis on the Elliot wave structures, in this movement over here, we are seeing an Elliot wave structure having this as the wave 1 to the upper side. Then we have seen this corrective movement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 2. Then I'm expecting this impulsive movement to continue pushing higher in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing higher in the formation of a wave 5. But we are yet to see any confirmations of that breakout to the upper side, and the first confirmation will be having a retest of the upper side of this triangle that we are seeing a breakout here on the 1 hour chart. And once the retest is in, there's a possibility that BTC might give us that very nice pump to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. There's still possibility of also making a new low here on the BTC chart, because in case this is a fake out and we continue pushing back into the channel once more and see a breakout out of the, not the channel but the triangle, and see a breakout out of the triangle to the lower side, there's a possibility of BTC making a new low below the low that we have over here. And also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported here on the 1 hour RSI. On the 1 hour RSI, we are trading at around the 53 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support any movements either to the upper side or to the lower side. Also taking a look at the MACD. On the MACD, we have printed a bearish cross, and we are losing the buying momentum here on the MACD, and that would mean no prices are coming our way. So let's be patient and be careful, because this might be a fake out of what we are seeing as a breakout out of this triangle that we had been trading within. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.